Are you Matthew Aldridge?
I'm the attorney of fact for Matthew Aldridge.
You were what?
The attorney of fact.
Attorney what?
Of fact.
Attorney of fact. And what does that mean?
You know, his authorization to do legal representation.
Are you a licensed attorney?
No, I'm simply an attorney of fact.
Okay. And does that mean you have a power of attorney? What is your name? What is your name?
All right, guys, today's court hearing is just crazy. We've got a guy named Matthew Aldridge, or at least that's what the paperwork says. But the man standing at the podium is claiming he doesn't have a name. He's calling himself an attorney of fact, which, by the way, isn't even a real legal title. These sovereign citizen types always try to say the court has no authority over them, but that's just not true. If you're in the court's area, they have full power over you, period. The judge isn't falling for any of it and completely shuts this guy down in the most epic way. By the end, the judge totally outsmarts him. Let's get into it.
Yes, sir.
I don't have.
You don't have a name? Pardon?
I'm the attorney of fact for the respondent mayor.
Well, let me explain to you. Only an attorney at law can stand in court and represent a criminal defendant. And to do so otherwise violates the criminal law statutes of the state of Tennessee and could land someone who attempts to represent themselves as an attorney at law in serious trouble. I understand what you're saying. I understand you're saying an attorney in fact. And what I want you to understand is that if you have a power of attorney, then you need to demonstrate that power of attorney. Do you have a legal document called a power of attorney?
No, I do not this time.
Okay. Then you don't have any authority to act on behalf of Matthew Aldridge in this court. You have no legal authority, nor do you have any authority through a legal document to represent or to act on behalf of Matthew Aldridge.
Why don't we court just let me file this document?
Show it to the bailiff and he'll show it to me.
Have a copy of it.
Oh, apparently there's a copy here.
So get this, the guy actually tries to prove he's an attorney of fact by handing the judge a random piece of paper. You didn't see it on camera because it was kind of slow, but the paper basically quoted a fake law that supposedly gives him the right to represent Matthew Aldridge. Now, for anyone wondering, real attorneys need to be licensed by the state and follow proper legal procedures. You can't just print out a fake document and call it law. Sovereign citizens like him love to argue about jurisdiction and pretend they're above the law. But spoiler alert, that never works. Courts follow real, established laws, not ones people make up. The judge clearly isn't here for this nonsense. Honestly, are these sovereign citizen cases getting more common? Or am I just unlucky to keep finding them? Let me know in the comments.